Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Sony ZV-E10 camera to your DJI Mic Mini. So first of all, let's check what you get in the box of the DJI Mic Mini package. So you have two mic transmitters, one receiver, some adapters, a charging cable, some peripherals, a charging case, and the 3.5mm TRS cable. Now here, pay attention to the ZV-E10 camera. So on the side of this camera, you will have a panel for the power and the panel for the Type-C, the HDMI port, and the headphone port. So basically, this port, you can use it as an audio out or an audio in. Pay attention to this schematic. The RX will go on the top mount of your camera. It is connected via the TRS cable. So basically, your receiver has a 3.5mm jack and of course your camera. And you will use this TRS cable to connect them. So basically that's it. That's how you connect your Sony ZV-E10 to your DJI Mic Mini.